Welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best outdoor side tables. We have spent hours researching and have carefully chosen these top 5 best outdoor side tables based on criteria such as quality, cost, and longevity. To find out more information and current pricing, please check the links provided in the video description. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews like this. Without further ado, let's begin the video. Number 1. POLYWOOD Ect18 SA Long Island 18 Side Table. The POLYWOOD Ect18 SA Long Island 18 Side Table is a chic and long-lasting outdoor decoration that will add personality and practicality to your patio or deck. The Long Island Adirondack side table is constructed from fade-resistant high-density polyethylene lumber and is the ideal accompaniment to the rocking rockers and Adirondack chairs. You may leave this table outside all year round without worrying about it warping, splitting, cracking, chipping, peeling, or rotting because to its solid structure. You can rest assured that your POLYWOOD Ect18 SA outdoor furniture will last for many years thanks to its resistance to stains, insects, fungi, and salt spray. This end table comes in a lovely sand tone, and though it does require some construction, it can be done quickly and easily using only commercial-grade stainless steel hardware. The best part is that this chic end table is American-made, so you know it will last and look great for years to come. Number 2. VINGLI Mosaic Outdoor Side Table. The VINGLI Mosaic Outdoor Side Table is a beautiful accessory for your living area, patio, deck, or porch. This chic and adaptable side table was handcrafted with a magnificent golden yard mosaic design, giving any outdoor space a one-of-a-kind and sophisticated appeal. The table's legs have been strengthened so that it is more stable now. It weighs just 13 pounds and folds up easily so that it can be transported and stored with less effort. It is built to last with a steel frame, black anti-rust finish, and a beautiful mosaic glass top. Enjoy your outside space more with the addition of this VINGLI Mosaic Outdoor Side Table. This is an essential element for your home if you enjoy hosting guests outdoors or are just in the market for a new end table. Relish the elegance of its one-of-a-kind construction and the portability afforded by its low weight. Make a statement with this eye-catching addition to your outdoor furniture set today. Number 3. Outdoor PE Wicker Side Table. The Velveeta PE Wicker Outdoor Side Table is here, and it will look great in your backyard, garden, on your deck, on your balcony, or by the pool. With a square shape and UV water-resistant wicker exterior and steel framing, this end table is built to last and serve a variety of purposes. The wicker not only gives the table a unique appearance, but it also prevents cracking and peeling over time. The 22-gallon storage capacity of the Velveeta PE Wicker Outdoor Side Table means that it can be used to store anything from drinks and snacks to furniture covers and gardening supplies. There's no need to stress about labor-intensive installation procedures because of the product's straightforward assembly, clear directions, and complete supply of required tools. If you're looking for an elegant and functional outdoor side table, go no further than the Velveeta PE Wicker Outdoor Side Table. Contact us if there are broken or missing components, or if you have any other issues. The purchase of outdoor furniture from us is risk-free because we offer a money-back guarantee and a 30-day return policy. Number 4. Camco Adirondack Portable Outdoor Folding Side Table. If you're in need of a compact and simple-to-assemble eating table, go no farther than the Camco Adirondack Portable Outdoor Folding Side Table. This table, styled like the traditional Adirondack chairs, can be used indoors or out. It is impervious to moisture and fading because to the use of a UV-stabilized resin, and it can be cleaned with just soap and water. The rectangular shape can be used in various ways, and the legs can be set up in a jiffy. This compact folding table is ideal for camping and other outdoor activities because of its lightweight design and small storage footprint. Not only does it not crack, peel, rot, or splinter, but it also requires no assembling and painting. The little table is convenient for setting down drinks and nibbles, and it also provides a stable surface for devices up to 15 inches in height. Stylish and long-lasting, this side table is a great addition to any outdoor living area. Number 5. Grand Patio Steel Patio Side Table. Grand Patio is proud to present our brand new steel patio side table. This stylish side table will refresh any patio, deck, or balcony. Outdoor seating is enhanced by the round yellow table. This piece's heavy-duty steel structure ensures its longevity. This table is weatherproof and sturdy thanks to its powder-coated steel structure and UV-protected finish. Its dazzling finish is protected by 4 plastic feet, which also stabilize the table. Entertaining outdoors. For summer talks, barbecues, and other outside activities, The steel patio side table is perfect. It's lightweight and easy to construct, giving you time to decorate. This table is essential for outdoor enthusiasts. It's stain-resistant and easy to clean, just wipe it down. It's also eco-friendly. Refresh your outdoor seating space with the Grand Patio Steel Patio Side Table. Thanks for watching. We're glad you enjoyed the video. Please hit the like button and share it with your friends. It would be a great help for us. Also, please don't forget to subscribe our channel for latest updates. We value your feedback. Please feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you in our next video.